Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Anisa. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, and ring the bell. Everything I will link to be linked to down below in the description. Let's get right into the video. So here I have an 876 nails swatching and unboxing. Right now I'm just taking everything out of the box. I don't recall buying that pink color, y'all. I'm gonna be real. She might have stuck it in, or I might have bought it. Don't know. I have to go back and look for real because I looked on the little thing and it didn't say if it was in the kit or not. But I looked on the website and I don't think it was in there. But thank you if she did, and if I bought it, I bought it. So yes. I started by opening the monomer. So I bought the kit, and I also bought just a separate color on its own. And y'all, this monomer was kind of strong. Usually, like, I like the smell of monomer, so I can kind of justify it, but I already had a very bad headache from something that week, and that's why I didn't want to do any acrylic nails also. And this bottle just like kept spilling, and now that every time I go by my little area, it smells like monomer very strongly. So that monomer is kind of strong, so be aware of that if you are someone that gets migraines from monomer smell. So there are two ounces and one 1 ounce. So as you can see, I'm trying to get any of the spilled powder off so I don't waste any. This is the best way to get it. It's just to go back and forth so you don't lose any powder. And if I would have just kept pouring, I would have been fine. But I kind of didn't want to pour too much, because like the more you pour, the more it's going to come out. And these were filled all the way to the top, which is very kind. And I used a discount code to get some money off. And Nail to the Hustle, she got a package from her and did a swatch video and everything, and I ended up following her channel, 876 Nails. I followed her channel, and I love the style of nails she does. Like, I love all of her nudes. Like, she really gets it, y'all. So go ahead and check her out. I'll leave her channel in the cards as well as in the description. I'll put the little tag so you guys can just click on it from there. And yes, I love the way these swatch. You guys are gonna see everything swatched beautifully. And yes, y'all, the monomer was like gagging me a little bit, and it kept spilling. When I say gagging, I don't mean like actually gagging. I just mean it like shocked me. But the monomer speed did not set too fast or too slow. But yeah, like I said, it just kept leaking. And the packaging, it's weird because it leaks, but it's nice. Like, I like how it came with a little squeezy thing already, so you don't have to worry about spilling your monomer everywhere. This is a Bombnails size 12 acrylic brush, and I was gonna say, she's coming out with like a bigger brush and liner brushes, and I can't wait. Y'all, her Valentine's Day collection sold out so fast, but she's restocking, so hopefully I can get one. But yes, you guys, look at how this polymerized. I'm pretty sure this one is Go-To Nude, just because it looks a little bit less pink. I'm pretty sure it is, but you guys, look at this. And this is a like medium to fast setting powder, which I love. And so far I've used it with the Acrylic Creamery monomer, which is kind of like my baseline monomer that I use, and it still set like kind of fast, but with that monomer it slowed down just a little bit more to where I could move it around a lot more before it started to set up. So I'm pretty sure this monomer is a faster drying monomer. Well, it's on the faster drying side. It's not 100% like fast, but it's not like a monomer where you can just like sit there and just let it sit and rest and like move it to the side a little bit. No, like, you have to actually keep your hands moving. So I'm gonna let you guys watch me swatch all of these swatches in real time, and I'm gonna pull up the like payment information with you guys on screen so you guys can see how much it cost and what the descriptions are of these colors and the monomer and things like that. These swatch sticks are from Natali Carmona, and the Dappin Dish is from Bombnails as well. Here's what the swatch is looking like so far. And then here's a comparison to my nail bed and everything like that. So that was Go To Nude. This one is the more pinky version of Go To Nude. Sorry, it's out of frame just a little bit. But I actually zoomed in so you could see it more because it was like at the top of the screen. So this is as good as I can get it, but it will come down in a second. And this video is fully in real time just so you can see the consistency of the powders and how it works with the monomer. Like I said, is a little bit faster drying. By this nail, I had kind of gotten it down, like what the consistency was, and I really like it. If you are a beginner, I would say just be careful of buying this with its monomer. Maybe get a slow setting monomer and see how it would do. But if you are someone who's been doing acrylic for a while and you like it to, not necessarily even a while, but certain acrylics are drying too slow for you because you started to move a little bit faster and you don't really want to like sit there and babysit it because sometimes it might slide to the side while you're trying to just move. This acrylic is very good. It's not as fast as Valentino. Valentino is the fastest setting acrylic powder that I have, and this is like nowhere near Valentino speed. So FYI, in case you were wondering, let me know if you guys think Valentino sets really fast too, because even in the winter when I first tried it, it was like last winter, that Valentino set quick. So that's the comparison to my natural nail. This is the color, I think it's like, I forgot what it's called, but I'll be showing it after I'm done swatching. And this one is the pinkiest of all of them, and I did not buy this, but yes, I'm going to let you guys watch me do this final swatch, which technically was the best swatch because like I said, I had more time to practice with it. So yes, you guys can kind of see how fast it was drying as I do this last nail. Like, look how good this final swatch was. This one is the pinkest one, the most recent one I did. This is Amy. Thank you to her for putting this one in. I did not buy that one. This one is Naomi, and it is gorgeous. Like I said, it is a more pinky version of Go To Nude. And then this is Go To Nude. And yes, I love these colors. They're the transparent nudes that I love. And of course you could build them up to be more opaque, less opaque. And I'm using the Natali Carmona top coat. And I'm just going to put one thin layer across all the nails and cure it for a full 120 seconds. Even though it technically really only needs like 60 if you're using an LED. But I like to do 120 because I just feel like it looks shinier and there is zero chance of the top coat peeling from the acrylic. So on to the rest of the beginner's little kit. These files, I actually recently used them and they are very, very good. These tips, on the other hand, they're good. I actually dropped this after this video. I was trying to move them and it literally fell because this tip box is full to the brim, so it did not close all the way and then the tip started coming out. It was a mess, but it actually ended up staying in its like perfect spots, even though it just kind of flipped over. But these run small, okay? Like the zeros were really small, and the zeros are the biggest sizes, and my thumb is typically a 0. Everyone in my house, their thumb is typically a 0. So when I went to go put it on, and it kind of didn't like fit properly, so what I would have to do is just squish it in the middle just to make sure it extended properly. And you see how I squished it and then it fit right. That's just all I would have to do, is widen the tip out. But yeah, these run small, but these are no C-curve coffin tips. She also has square ones on her website as well. So yes, I will be testing these tips out, and I have a bajillion of these, and so far hers are the only ones that run a little bit small, like I said. So just be careful of that. And these were very cute though. I really love the length, and the coffin is gorgeous. And of course you could cut it and make it like a tapered square. Gorgeous. I love these nail tips. Here are the final colors. You guys, they look so good. I'm very happy about my purchase. The quality was amazing. Her shipping was amazing. Here is everything I got. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, ring the bell. Check out her channel, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.